Alright, good morning, boys. What is up? I'm a little sick. Friendly reminder that the Alpha Futures sale, 25% off, is expiring tomorrow. So today is basically your last day to actually go and get an account. I sound like I just sucked a bag of dicks, bro. Sound like shit. Sorry for the trade recap. It's a little late. It is 10:06 a.m. I was waiting to see if I found another potential setup, but no longs are really valid to me right now. You see here, made 426 across 5 accounts with Lucid and 200 across 5 accounts with Tradeify. Some stupid shit happened with Top Step. I had a limit order set last night that was not supposed to be there. Don't know why the fuck there was a limit order on my fucking chart. Literally blew everything, so I don't even want to fucking talk about that. I woke up this morning to a minus P&L of $2,000 on my Top Step X, which made no fucking sense to me because I haven't touched it since yesterday morning. But there's literally nothing I can do about that. 426 across 5 Lucid accounts, $200 across 5 Lightning Thunder accounts. So I'm saying $3,500 on the day. I'm literally not counting Top Step. That's bullshit. I'm gonna try to email them and see like what the fuck I can do. But besides that, I took a loss and a win today. I'm gonna go over both my trades. Why I was bullish coming to market open, right? If we look at price, we have London highs above us. London highs is also aligned with a unfilled 4-hour. So my logic was we could take out London. If we want to push lower, we push lower after we take out London. So I was bullish to London. I still am. But if we look at the hourly, right, we did tap into NWOG. Did we fill NWOG? No. Filling NWOG would be dumping another like 3%. NWOG is 1.5% below us. Like I don't want price to dump fucking 2%. I don't think it's realistic for price to dump another 4% in a day. We're already down. We're down 1.25%. So based off the fact that for price to go all the way here, it would mean for price to be down 3%. And the fact that we already tapped into NWOG, I was bullish on the day, right? We're respecting this 15-minute bullish gap. We inverse this one. On the hourly time frame, we are respecting a bearish order block. So I do have that in the back of my mind, right? We pull back into this bullish 5-minute gap right here. We pull back into this bullish 5-minute gap. We push higher. I enter off this 1-minute CISD before that 5-minute was even created. Or actually, I think it was created at the time. Yeah. I enter off this, or you actually see the entry. We sweep this low, close above the body's high, or body's close, right? Enter in long stops here. Now, when price is trading all the way up here in my eyes, I thought this was a great trade. I still think this is a good trade. Last second, price wicked down at 9.25, respecting the 5-minute, or at 9.29, right? And obviously dumped. So I did take this loss. Could have gone break even, but there was a chance price just wicked down and pushed higher, right? So after I took this loss, like I said, based off a 15-minute gap, we filled NWOG, 5-minute gap, 1-minute CISD, and my draw is London highs. And this is an internal high below London high, right? After this doesn't play out, I see, okay, we are respecting a 5-minute bearish gap inside a 1-hour bearish order block, inside what is clearly a downtrend on the higher time frame. We are not in any bullish gap. We inverse this 4-hour. The only bullish gap we're trading inside is actually new week opening gap, which in my eyes is actually one of the strongest imbalances for price, right? But 1-hour bearish order block right there, 5-minute bearish gap. After I see this 1-minute close, I don't enter. I see price create a 1-minute bearish CISD. I see us tap into it and push lower. That is when I entered. I entered at 9:31 candle closure. So 9:32 open. Targeting this low. You could have also targeted this low. There was 2 good setups today. There was same setup in theory. This 1-minute CISD getting respected, or this 2-minute getting respected, which you would have entered here. So you could have entered off a couple things, and you put that on the swing high. You could have entered off the 2-minute CISD getting respected to this low. You could have entered off the 1-minute CISD to several lows, to this low or this low, right? Which I did not do. I only traded it to this low. Coming out of a loss, I did not want to be greedy. That's why I'm only up $200 on my Tradeify and $400 on Lucid. I took $1,000 loss and like a $500 loss, which was so stupid in my opinion. But yeah, overall, that was the trade I took. Took 2 trades, long here, didn't play out, and then I shorted once we were respecting the bearish 5-minute and saw we had clear sell side below us. Now, I want to clear something up real quick. This is not new week opening gap. I saw some people short to this thinking this was new week opening gap. No, this is a random candle. I don't know why it dumped so much. This is new week opening gap low. The 550 or the 459 candle closure. Sorry, my teeth hurt like a bitch. Right? This is a random fucking candle. This is new week opening gap. Right? That's why I thought price was unrealistic to go that low. And now volatility died. Other valid trade that I saw some people took, some of my students took this. 5-minute inversion / CISD to this low. It was more of a 5-minute inverse to that low. 2 of my students took this trade. Bank today. Fucking killer trade. Just like that, stops over the 1-minute order block. Beautiful trade, beautiful entry. Overall, this was a good trade. Like I said, you could have entered off the 2-minute CSD. I personally entered off the 1 because I figured if price is going to respect this 5-minute and stop me out by breaking this low, we are going to push lower. Because there's no reason for price to respect the 5-minute, sweep this low, and then push higher. We would just disrespect the 5-minute, right? So by that judgment, I entered short and obviously played out, right? Besides that, why I don't like longs right now. We're trading in a bearish 15-minute gap. We didn't tap into any 5-minute bullish gaps. No 3-minute bullish gaps. All we tapped into was this 2-minute gap right here. And then pushed higher. That's the only retrace we got. So if you wanted to enter long, you could have, and I guess with discretion. Like that, targeting that high. I don't know what you target. You can target the 930 high, right? That's a good target. Target the 930 high. I guess there's an S&T there. Yep. There's a bearish S&T right now with this internal high. So you would actually, I guess, target this high. And you should be out of the trade. Right? So you close your trade here. Yeah, overall, pretty clean day. Lots of volatility in the market. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Remember last day to use code NadaqAle at Alpha Futures. I would fucking get an account. Also, if you guys are interested in joining the one-on-one mentorship, feel free to apply with the link in the description. If not, I'm still going to be here tomorrow posting trade recaps every day. Hope you guys have a great fucking day. Trade safe, and I will see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.